Welcome back to Riddle Factory. Guess 50 celebrity in 5 seconds. Round 1. Bald with muscular build, wrestler. Yeah, it is Dwayne Johnson. Round 2. Singer with curly hair and glasses. Of course, it's Ed Sheeran. Round 3. Female pop singer, known for ponytail. Oh, that's Ariana Grande for sure. Round 4. Actor with iconic Iron Man suit. Iron Man himself, Robert Downey Jr. Round 5. Soccer player with distinct tattoos. That's the GOAT, Lionel Messi. Round 6. British actress, known as Hermione. Of course, it's Emma Watson. Round 7. Actor famous for the Matrix sunglasses. The legendary Keanu Reeves. Round 8. Rapper with braided hair and tattoos. This one's Post Malone, obviously. Round 9. Singer with colorful outfits and wigs. Can't miss her, Lady Gaga. Round 10. Athlete known for slam dunks. Dunk King, that's LeBron James. Round 11. Actress with a bow and arrow in a movie. Oh, it's Jennifer Lawrence. Round 12. Rapper with face tattoos and grills. Easy. That's Lil Wayne. Round 13. Actor with pirate costume and eyeliner. Captain Jack Sparrow, Johnny Depp. Round 14. Famous chef with blonde spiky hair. That's Chef Gordon Ramsay. Round 15. Singer with signature cowboy hat. Oh, Taylor Swift for sure. Round 16. Actor with a large hammer as a weapon. Thor himself, Chris Hemsworth. Round 17. Comedian with a bushy mustache. That's Steve Harvey. Round 18. Female singer with an iconic umbrella. The one and only Rihanna. Round 19. Actor with web-slinging suit. Web-slinger Tom Holland. Round 20. Tennis star with 23 Grand Slam titles. Tennis legend Serena Williams. Round 21. Singer known for his electric purple suit. Purple Rain? That's Prince. Round 22. Actor with Wolverine claws. Wolverine claws, Hugh Jackman. Round 23. Comedian known for Medea character. Medea's creator, Tyler Perry. Round 24. Pop star with diamond forehead implant. That's Lil Uzi Vert. Round 25. Actor with a cowboy hat in a series. Easy, that's Matthew McConaughey. Round 26. Singer with a signature moonwalk move. The king of pop, Michael Jackson. Round 27. British royal with a crown. Oh, that's Queen Elizabeth II. Round 28. Singer known for red lipstick and retro. She's Katy Perry. Round 29. Actor with a vibranium shield. Vibranium shield? Chris Evans. Round 30. Soccer player with iconic CR7 celebration. CR7, Cristiano Ronaldo. Round 31. Indian cricketer with signature cover drive. That's Virat Kohli, the cricket star. Round 32. Actor known for blue avatar character. Zoe Saldana from Avatar. Round 33. Scientist with a big white mustache. Iconic scientist Albert Einstein. Round 34. Director famous for Titanic and Avatar. Titanic's director, James Cameron. Round 35. Wrestler with a cap, you can't see me. You can't see me, John Cena. Round 36. Female golfer with a green jacket. Oh, that's Annika Sorenstam. Round 37. Actor famous for I'll Be Back. Terminator himself, Arnold Schwarzenegger. Round 38. Singer known for red glasses and piano. Elton John and his piano magic. Round 39. Actress famous for Harley Quinn role. Harley Quinn, Margot Robbie. Round 40. Actress known for Black Widow role. Black Widow, Scarlett Johansson. Round 41. Male rapper with a bear outfit on an album. That's Kanye West, no doubt. Round 42. Famous wizard with glasses and a scar. Oh, Harry Potter, Daniel Radcliffe. Round 43. Actress known for Titanic role. Rose from Titanic. Kate Winslet. Round 44. Comedian with a talk show and big smile. That's Ellen DeGeneres. Round 45. Entrepreneur with Tesla and SpaceX. Tesla mastermind Elon Musk. Round 46. Superhero actor with a bat logo. The Dark Knight, Christian Bale. Round 47. Singer known for Hello. Hello, it's Adele. Round 48. Politician with an iconic orange hat. That's Donald Trump. Round 49. Soccer player famous for number 10 jersey, Brazil. Brazilian soccer star, Neymar Jr. Round 50. Female singer with pink hair and bold looks. Pink, unmistakable. I hope you enjoyed lot. Pick the next challenge and make sure, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quiz videos.